Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can add the 200, the 50, and the 20 EMA on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader software, then go to this icon right here. Click on it, then search for EMA. Scroll down until you see it. So this one, click on it 2 times and type here 200 on period. Okay, then scroll down and change the color if you want. So let's say change this one to black. Where is black? Okay, don't think black, this one. And you can change the width. So for the 200 I will make it a little bit thicker, so let's say 3. Then click on apply. Okay, now click on EMA again and choose period and change it to 50. Again, change the color to the color you desire. So let's say this one. And let's change the width to 2 for this example. As you can see, this is the 200 and this is the 50. Again, click on EMA and change the period to 20. Then scroll down, and I think that I will keep this color. I will just change the width to 2. Then click on apply. Okay, as you can see, this is the 200, this is the 50, and this is the 20 EMAs. Okay, so after that, just click on OK. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.